Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, dear students, to our science class. Today is Sunday. The date is 18th of October 2020. We are going to have science. Are you ready, guys? Let's start.
Welcome to the lesson, What are some plant life cycles? We'll explore each step in a plant's life. The vocabulary words for this lesson are seed, seedling, germinate, and cone. Click each word to find out more about it.
Okay. Last period we talked about plant life cycle, and we had the words seed, seedling, germinate, and cone. I remember Saif telling us about germinate. Do you remember, guys, what does germinate means? Remember, guys? Our dear friend, he explained it to us. He was my assistant and he helped me. Huh, guys? Do you remember the word germinate? Or should I ask him too, again? You don't remember? Okay, let's see, Safe. Oops, sorry. This is not safe. Just a minute. No. Sorry, Abdulaziz, by mistake. Okay, yes, Safe.
Germinate means the plants that start to grow and make a new life.
Excellent, good job. Start to grow. The plant will start to grow. That's why, that's where we call it germinate. Now let's see. Let's take a look.
Have you ever watched a plant grow? Then you know different parts of the plant appear at different times in the plant's life. For example, plants don't always have flowers and fruits. This only happens when the plant needs to make seeds. That's why each part of a plant, roots, stems, leaves, and flowers, has a job to do in the plant's life cycle.
So each part of the plant has a job to do in the plant life cycle. Okay, this is a plant growing. Here we can see the roots down there. Here we can see the leaves, the stem, the flower. Each part has a job to do. Now we are going to learn more about it.
Let's learn more about the life cycle of a plant by clicking each image. Start with the seed.
Okay, I want you guys to tell me, can I start with the stem? Is it okay to start with the stem? No, good job, Ismail. What about the roots? Is it correct to start with the roots? No, the first step is always the seed. Life starts with the seed. Now let's see.
Inside each seed is a small plant and enough food to last until the plant can make its own food.
So, first of all, the seed. There is a small plant inside the seed, and also it has enough food to last its life, okay? Now let's see.
When the seed germinates, it opens, and a root grows out into the soil, looking for water and nutrients.
Now look at this seed. This is what I call germinate. The seed will germinate. How the seed germinates, it will start to grow. Look, a small plant comes out of the seed and went down. It starts with the roots. The roots will go down and down to find minerals and water to have food and grow. Let's see, after the roots comes what?
The stem grows out of the seed too. It grows upward toward the light and air. Just like the root needs water and nutrients to help the plant grow, the stem needs light and air.
Can I go to the bathroom and bring water?
Of course. Yes, sure. Okay, guys. Over here, the roots will grow down. It will go down. But the stem is going to grow up towards the sun and water. Okay? It needs sun and water and air. So it's going to grow up. Who will grow down? Yeah, Amir.
What?
Who will grow down, the root or the stem?
The stem.
Down, yeah, Amir. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Abdul Aziz.
Yes.
Who will grow down, the root or the stem?
The root.
Excellent. And the stem will grow
Up.
Excellent. Why it will grow up?
Because the stem has
It need what?
it need water and sunlight.
Excellent. So it will grow up toward the sun. Good job. Good job, Ismail. Sorry, Abdul Aziz. Let's see.
The stem starts to sprout leaves. And now it is called a seedling or young plant.
Oh, so this is the second word. We learned germinate and we said over here, this is germinate when the seed start to grow and small plant comes out of it. And here is a seedling. What do I mean by a seedling? A seedling when the stem sprouts out. Look at the leaves. The leaves are coming out of what? Coming out of the stem. This we call it seedling. What do I call it, ya Ismail?
What?
When the stem sprout out and leaves come out. What do I call it? Do I call it germinate? No. Do I call it seedling?
Yeah.
Yes. So what do I call it, ya Ismail?
Seedling.
Excellent. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Finally, let's see.
The seedling continues to grow, and now the plant has roots, stems, and leaves to get what it needs to make its own food. With air, water, sunlight, and nutrients, the plant soon flowers and makes its own seeds, so the life cycle can start all over again.
Okay, so this is the life cycle of the plant. After the seedling, it will grow more and more with air, water, and sunlight, and then it will give flowers, and the flowers will give seeds again, and then it will start the life cycle from the beginning. Let's see what do we have next.
Some plants make seeds inside cones, and some make seeds inside flowers.
Oh.
Click each plant to find out more.
So not all seeds comes out of flowers. They can come out of cones. Do you believe that? Have you ever seen a pine cone? You never saw a pine cone? I think one of you saw a pine cone. I'm sure. All of you? What is Hattan? Hattan, why I can't see you? Ah, you changed your name. Hattan, can you unmute your microphone?
I muted my microphone. My name is Hatan.
Okay, my lovely.
In Arabic.
Okay, it's fine. Hattan, have you ever seen a pine cone?
I seen it about myself.
A pine cone. Have you ever seen a pine cone?
I saw 1,000.
Yes, you saw a pine cone before. Where? Can you tell us?
In America, there used to be like and you see a pine cone in every step.
Yes. So, okay, inside a pine cone. What's inside a pine cone?
A nut, a seed.
A seed. Excellent. Thank you, Hatan, for helping us. Yes, Abdulillah.
Miss, I see it.
You saw it too? Wow. Yeah. Okay. Have you seen inside the cone? What's inside?
Seed.
A seed. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Someone is raising the hand. Khalid. Yes, Khalid. Thank you, Abdulillah. Thank you.
I see it too.
You saw it too? You saw
Yeah.
a pine cone? Good. Okay, so great, guys. Now you know what's a cone and what is a flower, and both of them can give us seed. Okay, what else? Where can you find seed else? Where else? Do you have any idea, Ismail? Yes, Ismail.
And the flower and the cone.
Okay, where else? Also in something, inside something. Flower can give us fruit. Yes, it will give us fruit. Can a flower give us fruit?
Yeah.
Yes. And can you find a seed inside the fruit?
Yeah.
Yes. Like what, ya Abdul Ilah Al-Badi? Like what fruit?
But I didn't see the cone.
Not a cone, the seed inside the fruit. Can you find seed inside the fruit?
No.
What about an apple? When you eat an apple, what's inside an apple?
Nothing. Nothing.
Have you ever seen a seed inside an apple or inside a lemon? What about an orange? Inside an orange, can you see a seed? Yes. So all these can produce a seed. Now let's see, what do we have next?
During its life cycle, a plant develops from a seed and then grows into a plant. The plant flowers to make seeds that then germinate and grow into new plants. Each individual plant eventually dies, but the living plants continue the life cycle. Click the play button to see how the plant life cycle repeats from generation to generation.
Let's see how the life cycle will repeat from generation to generation. This is the first generation. Look at it. Oh, have you seen the seed went out of the flower? Did you see it, guys? Do you want to see it again? Let's see it again, guys. Please be careful. Let's see it again. Focus. Look at the flower. What comes out
During
of the
its life
flower?
cycle,
Look, quickly. See? Huh. Did you see? The flower gave the seed and the seed fell down in the floor. Let's see what is going to happen. Oh, so the first one died and the second one is blooming again. So it gives a seed again to another plant will grow. Now let's see again. This is first, second generation. This is the third generation. Look. And the life cycle will go on and on and on.
where are the seeds inside these plants? Click each image to see the seeds inside.
Wow. So I see a lot of fruits and maybe vegetables. Tell me, what can you see? Yeah, Ahmed. Yes, what can you see, Ahmed?
Watermelon, there is seeds.
Watermelon. Excellent, Ahmed. Yes, Saif, what can you see?
An apple.
Excellent. You can see apples. Abdulaziz, what can you see?
I can see pumpkin.
Yes, thank you, Amir. Pumpkin. What about you, Abdulaziz?
Apple.
Apple. Excellent. Yes, yeah, Ismail. What can you see? What is this one? The green one. Oops.
Kiwi.
Kiwi.
Yes, excellent. Let's see now. Guys, mute your microphones, please. Let's start with this one.
Pea pod.
Pea pod. Okay, inside the pea pod, all these are seeds. You can plant them again. This is a pea pod. If you want to drink water, yes, but please, guys, keep it away from your device. Be careful, okay? Now let's see the kiwi.
Kiwi.
Can you see the seeds inside? Look, the small black seeds, all these are seeds and they can make the fruit again. Yes, Salim.
These seeds, and you can take it out the kiwi and put it in a plant. It's gonna make a tree of kiwis.
Yes, excellent. So seeds make new plants. Good job, Salim. What about peach?
Peach.
Huh, where is the seed of this peach? Hi, Abdulillah, tell me. What is the color of the seed?
Black.
Black. Is it soft or rough?
What?
Is it soft or rough?
Soft.
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you, Abdulillah. Now let's see. A pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Wow, it has a lot of seed. A pumpkin has a lot of seed inside.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. It has a lot of seeds inside.
Apple.
These are apples. Look at the apples. It has a lot of seeds inside. So not only flowers, not only cones, also fruits can have seeds inside them.
What do you think a seed contains?
Oh.
Click the correct answers and then click OK.
Okay, who wants to try to do it? Please raise your hand if you want to try to do this with me. Yes, Ahmed. So, Ahmed, let me explain for you. This is a pea seed. Now, I want you to tell me inside the seed, what's there? Is there flower inside the seed? Is there nutrients for the plant as it begins to grow? Is there fruit? Tiny copy of the plant.
Tiny copy of the plant.
Let's see.
You're close, but try again.
Oh, you are close. Okay, let's see. What else inside the seed? Yes, Ismail. Huh, Ismail? Well, see, are you sure? Fruit?
Yeah.
Nutrients for the plant as it begins to grow, or flowers?
Nutrients for the plant as it's beginning to grow.
Okay, let's see.
That's correct. Each seed contains a tiny plant and enough nutrients to last until the plant can grow and make its own food.
Excellent. So both of you are correct, okay? The both answers are correct. It has nutrients for the plant as it begins to grow, and a tiny copy of the plant. It's a tiny copy of the plant. So good job. Excellent, boys.
Which of these images shows a seed that has just germinated?
Okay.
Click your answer.
Let's see, Saif.
Yes.
Which one of these pictures shows that the seed germinates? Is it this one?
Yes.
This one? This one or
No.
this one?
Yes.
Which?
Yes.
This one? Okay.
Good job.
Good
Germination
job.
means that the seed has opened and the roots are only just beginning to go into the soil.
Miss,
Yes.
I have a pine cone seed here.
Really? Show me. Oh, nice. This is a pine cone seed. From where did you get it? Nice. Nice. I love it. Saif, from where did you get it?
I don't know.
Okay.
From my grandma.
Oh, tell
My
her
grandma
thank
found.
you. Can you tell her thank you for showing us the pine cone seed? Okay, good. Thank you. Now, germinates means a small plant will start to grow and the roots will come out to look for the water. Let's see finally, what do we have?
You have learned a lot about the life cycles of plants. Before we finish, let's take a quick look at the main points you covered. Plants flower to make seeds that grow into new plants. The new plant looks very similar to the adult plant that the seed came from. A plant life cycle shows the steps to make new plants from the seeds of adult plants. Different plants have different life cycles and grow at different rates. Many plants begin life as a seed. The seed contains all that it needs to begin growing. Germination is when the seed opens and roots begin to grow. Some plants make seeds in flowers. Some plants make seeds in cones. After germination, the seed continues to grow into a seedling that eventually becomes a plant with roots, leaves, a stem, and flowers or cones. Now that you've finished this lesson, if you wish, you can go back and review any part of the lesson again.
Okay, these are the most important points that we study in this lesson. We learned about plants, that plants flower to make seed that grow into new plant. They have to flower to make seed, but other plants can make seed in cones. Is that right? Okay, a plant life cycle show the steps to make new plants form the seed of adult plant. We learned the life cycle. We learned that many plants begin from a seed. Also, after germinating, the seed continues to grow into a plant. Do you have any question, my boy? Huh, boys? Yes, Abdulillah, you raised your hand.
No, miss.
You don't have a question? You raised your hand. Okay, thank you, Abdulillah. Who else? Guys, do you have any question? Okay, I can see Abdul Aziz. Yes, Abdul Aziz.
We finished the class.
Yes, tomorrow we are going to write in the book. Today we just had the whole lesson. Okay, Abdul Aziz?
The book today.
Tomorrow we are going to write in the book.
Okay.
Good. Yes, Ahmed.
Yes.
Yes.
I was in Tany's home.
You was what?
In Tany's home.
Oh, you were in Hattan's home? Okay, so you're friends now. Good, good. Okay, guys, do you have any question about our lesson? Should I ask you? Okay, let me stop recording. Thank you guys for listening. That's it for today. See you inshallah tomorrow.